Hello everyone, welcome back to Stepping Up. Today we are delving into the world of multi-threading in Java, a game changer for building responsive and efficient applications. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you are ready to unlock the power of multi-threading, give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any query regarding this topic, so please write down in the comment below. First of all, the topic that we are covering today is multi-threading, benefit of multi-threading, creating threads in Java, synchronization, thread pools and executors, and best practices in multi-threading. So let's start with first the definition. What is multi-threading? If we talk about multi-threading, it is in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. And here it is the concurrent execution of two or more threads, allowing for the parallel processing and improved system performance. That is multi-threading. A thread, it is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing, and multi-processing, multi-threading, both are used to achieve the multitasking. We are using multi-threading than multi-processing because the thread use shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory area, so saves memory. Context switchings between the threads takes less times than the process. So Java multi-threading is mostly used in games and animations. So its applications is games and animations. So if we talk about the importance, so it utilizes the multiple CPU cores, a responsive user interface, and efficient resource utilization. These are the three benefits of this multi-threading. It doesn't block the user because threads are independent and we can perform multiple operations at the same times. And also we can perform many operations together, so it saves the time also. So it's saves the times. Threads are independent, so doesn't affect other threads if an exception occurs in the single thread. So these are all its benefits, its importance of using this multi-threading. Let's see what is threads and how to create that. So creating a threads in Java, so we are doing the two steps basically: extending the thread class and implementing the runnable task. So this we are doing these two things: runnable interface implementation. First of all, we extend the thread class and implement the runnable interface. So these are the two important steps that we do. So what are the outputs of that, we will see. So threads means they share the same address space. It is lightweight. Cost of communication between the thread is also very low. So we will see how to generate it. So wait a minute, I'm sharing that. So we first of all, you should know there are various methods that we are using in threads. Okay, so first we create the thread class. So see, class my thread, it extends the thread. Public void run, so this is not giving any output, so void is here. Run is a method that we use in Java. This is Java thread methods. It is used to do an action for a thread. Next is we create is instance because it is the class. So my thread, new my thread, and it dot start. Dot start is also a method in this thread only, so it is used to start the execution of the thread. Now next step is to do the implement the runnable. So if we my class my runnables implements runnables, so this is the methods, and then create the thread of that, starting the thread, and it starts. So like that we create the thread in multi-threading. Next one is synchronizations. So ensuring the data consistency in a multi-thread environments, it is use of synchronized keywords. So it is multi-threading. We are performing two or more threads simultaneously. So it is important that it should perform properly in the synchronized way. So we are using this keyword, that is synchronization. So see, this is the program. Here class counter, private int count 0. So we are using public synchronized voice increment with count plus plus. So like that there should be synchronization. Number of thread, as per the threads we write here the counting. We get the countings. Next is thread pools and executors. So it is used for managing and reusing the thread efficiently, the executor service interface. So example is like that. This is the executor service. This is now thread pool 5, and this executor submit the new runnable. So this we have created the class, and this shutdown. So these are all methods in runnable, sorry, in threads. So these are the Java thread methods. If we talk about these, so they have their own values, their own descriptions. Like I told you, start, it is used to start the execution of the thread, run to do the action for a thread. It, if sleep is there, it sleeps the thread for the specified amount of time. So like that we use. Next is the benefit of multi-threading. It improves the performance, enhance the responsiveness, or also efficient resource utilization. So these are all benefits of this multi-threading. There is some challenges also. It has deadlocks, race conditions, coordination, and communications. So every coin has two parts, so it has some challenges and some benefits too. Now let's see the best practice that we have to follow for the multi-threading. So it use high level concurrency utilities and avoid the excessive synchronizations. Means sometimes we have to avoid the most excessive synchronization, so it should not be complex. Be mindful of thread safety. So this we also should take care of the thread safety. Means it is not means we are working on synchronization and thread, and we can't forget all these things. So we have covered the essential of multi-threading, creating thread, their synchronization, thread pools, and best practices that we have to follow. So you are now equipped to enhance the performance and the responsiveness of the Java application. If this journey through multi-threading was enlightening, hit the like buttons, share it with your coding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe more Java Wisdoms. Thanks for joining me today. Happy coding. I will catch you in next lecture.